It seems to me that we make a similar abstraction when we talk about the roles or effects of wolf predation. Biologists ask us to overlook the individual suffering of prey species for the sake of the ecosystem and the ongoing process of evolution. But there are people who cannot easily sublimate the suffering in the numbers. So while some of us out there in the snow are puzzling out the unfeeling facts of predation, others cannot look upon the carcass of a deer without confronting its suffering. It is fine to argue that the deer died with dignity, that this was nature's way, that predation is part of the plan, that starvation is not necessarily any better than being dragged down in the snow by a pack of wolves. But not everybody can make that abstraction. Thus the regret, the uneasy glances away from the kill on the ground to the trees and to the chickadees and to life. It's the discomforting end of humankind's bargain with consciousness. We empathize with other beings and imagine we feel their pain. Either the empathy blinds us to the mechanics of life, or we shut the empathy off. Some people have no qualms about looking upon death or about taking the life of a deer or a wolf. Some feel the taking is a blessing that gives them food, or the taking the life of an animal is a measure of their own competence and deserving effort. Others feel the taking of a life brutalizes both the victim and the killer. Killing is something we don't agree upon. We find our own private understandings, and we shall probably never have a shared understanding of killing. We never find an intersection between biology and the spirit where predation makes real sense. And because of that, we shall forever argue about the wolves.